Hello, everyone. My name is Charlie Haywood, and I'm the founder and CEO of Dreamcatchers Education. Today, I have the privilege of sharing with you the remarkable journey of our nonprofit organization with our mission to promote quality education as a fundamental human right and make it accessible to all. Now, quality education is not just a privilege, it's a fundamental human right. As UNESCO projects, by the year 2030, only 6 out of 10 young individuals will complete a secondary education. This alarming statistic undergoes an urgent need for transformative change to ensure that education reaches every corner of the globe. Around the world, approximately 244 million children and adolescents are out of school, primarily due to financial barriers. Educational inequality stands as one of the most pressing challenges facing our global community. It's a problem that transcends borders and affects the future of our world as we know it. Now, education is not only about imparting knowledge, it's the bedrock of fundamental and functional democracies. It's an essential tool in the fight against poverty and disparity. Now, by raising our global education levels, we're able to pave the way for sustainable and positive societal transformations. Education has the power to uplift communities and individuals alike. Now, every year, students ask themselves the same questions. What is my dream and how can I find my passion? Now, this existential question is one of the ones that resonates the most with countless young individuals worldwide. Surprisingly, a significant majority of high school students are actually unsure about what their future career paths are. Now, this uncertainty not only affects their educational journey, but also raises the question of how they can plan for the future they're not even sure about at the age of 17 when applying to college. Now, in 2019, in response to this critical challenge, I embarked on the mission to address this uncertainty as well as educational inequality. I founded Dreamcatchers Education, including a YouTube channel and nonprofit organization dedicated to helping students find their passions and access quality education. This initiative was born out of a deep commitment to ensuring that all young minds can discover their full potentials. Since our inception, Dreamcatchers Education has made significant impacts. With over 1,700 students impacted from more than 10 countries benefiting from our programs, we provide insightful interviews with industry professionals and successful college students, as well as district-wide SAT tutoring classes and other STEM tutoring courses with over 500 attendees. These efforts have been instrumental in helping students navigate their educational journeys at multiple different levels. Now, as an organization, we're also committed to ensuring equal access to educational opportunities. We understand that the cost of private college counseling, tutoring, and extra assistance can be very prohibitive for many. Now, that's why all of Dreamcatcher's Education's resources are entirely free and 100% accessible to any students interested. Our mission is driven by the belief that access to quality education should not be determined by one's financial means. Now, this is how we've helped in different levels. As you can see, there's been the district-wide free SAT tutoring for over 500 student attendees from across the school district that was taught by Harvard-graduated professors. Now, we've also established a tutoring network with professors, current industry professionals, PhD graduates, and current students at all different levels, including STEM competitions, course subjects, and computer science, AI, and machine learning, and more. Now, our commitment to a quality education goes beyond borders. When I learned about the Ukrainian refugee students unable to attend school due to wartime conditions, I couldn't stand by idly. I organized a school-wide fundraiser during the school's international fair and a district-wide fundraiser, gaining the endorsement from school officials such as the district superintendent, as well as principals' endorsements from multiple schools, and were overall able to raise over 19,000 US dollars with philanthropist Tom Roach in name of this cause. This experience reaffirmed our belief that promoting quality education is the best way to change the world. It exemplifies the power of global solidarity and the impact of individual efforts. Here you can see the Ukrainian and Guatemalan students who we've helped through our contributions in education. According to USAID, only 3 in 10 children graduate from 6th grade in Guatemala. To address this, I've also partnered with the Nicolas Fund for Education, providing the indigenous Ixo Guatemalan students with the skills and opportunities they need to rise out of poverty and transform their lives with education. Now, Dreamcatcher's Education is also currently expanding its vision to address the United Nations Sustainable Development Goal number 11, sustainable cities and communities. We are particularly concerned about the aviation industry's significant contribution to global warming. This expansion reflects our commitment to addressing global challenges through education. Aviation is responsible for 13% of global emissions, and it's expected to triple by the year 2050. And we're working to inspire the next generation to pioneer green energy technology for aviation. Through education, we aim to reduce the industry's carbon footprint and contribute to a cleaner and greener future. Our vision is to revolutionize the aviation world through innovation and sustainability. Thank you.